If you are looking for an easy way how to convert YouTube video into MP3, download it from the YouTube channel to your phone or to your device as an MP3 file, possibly the audio. This is the easiest way to get it done. First, you come to the YouTube channel of your choice, just like for the case of this one. All I have to do is I'll right click on the video, go to that particular video I want to download the MP3, right click on it, copy the URL. Once you copy the URL, you come to this particular link. I'm going to leave the link in the description box of this video. Paste the URL like this. Once you paste it, you see, well, make sure it is on MP3 like this, then you click convert. Then wait for some few seconds for it to generate the MP3 file for you first. Once it is done the conversion, you get to see something like this, then you click download. You will now see it on the top depending on the notification of your browser. When I click it, you see this is it here downloaded. If I click open now, it will open the folder. You will now see this is it on the folder now. So I believe you learned something in this particular video. Do well to keep a date as I continue to give you more tips will be coming.